Hi, this is Once Upon a Page with Miss JoJo. Come read with me.
Little Blue Truck Feeling Happy. A Touch and Feel book. Little Blue Truck is on the road, taking a drive with good friend Toad. Right along with Little Blue, Toad can touch things. You can too. Who has feathers? Hen and Duck, friends of Toad and Little Blue Truck. Feathers white and feathers black, soft and smooth from front to back. Bah, said Sheep, come touch my wool. You can pat, but please don't pull. Thick and fluffy, fits just right. I wear my wool coat day and night. My coat feels bristly, you can tell, says Pig, but don't I wear it well? A bristly coat that's not too big, oink, is perfect for a pig. Toad pats Blue's hood. You're blue, you shine. Your body's smooth, not rough like mine. I'm green myself, my skin is bumpy. I'm Toad tough and sort of lumpy. Beep, 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 says Little Blue. Just right for me, just right for you. Two good friends go down the road, feeling happy, Blue and Toad.